Contact front.
Two positions collapsing. Continue advance. Possible broken order presence below ground.
We found it. We found it. We found it.
That's my wife.
Ignore it.
That's her voice.
Put it back on.
She needs help.
You're almost here. Open it. We missed you.
Sir, don't. I can hear them too.
What the hell is that?
We should leave.
We should have left an hour ago. Foxtrot Foundation elements arriving. Establish perimeter. Foxtrot?
Foundation?
That's what they're called.
Good evening. We are receiving reports of significant gunfire and military activity near an active federal containment zone outside Albany. Authorities have stated there is no immediate danger to the public. Residents are strongly advised not to investigate the area. Law enforcement reports multiple arrests connected to the terrorist organization known as The Order. Witnesses also reported unidentified units operating alongside international response teams. Neither federal authorities nor the United Nations have commented on these reports. We are being instructed to repeat, stay indoors. Do not travel. Do not approach the containment zone.
This is an emergency message from the state of New York. Law enforcement operations remain ongoing. Residents are instructed to remain indoors until further notice. Do not approach emergency vehicles. Do not approach containment zones. Do not interfere with ongoing security operations. Curfew remains in effect statewide. Citizens found violating emergency restrictions may be detained. If you observe unfamiliar individuals near your residence, contact authorities immediately. Do not attempt communication. Additional updates will be provided as conditions develop. The situation remains under control. The situation remains under control. The situation remains under control. The situation remains under control.